Hi everyone, and welcome to day 2 of our 7-day heart opening and movement meditation series. Yesterday we sat quietly for 5 minutes, which may have been a challenge for you or may have been something that you've practiced in the past, and it's a very short period of time. Today we're going to link some of the meditation with the movement. We're going to add at the beginning of practice, move through a little heart opening series, and then close ourselves with a nice short meditation as well. So again, ask you to sit quietly at the beginning, move with me, which is the asana, and then have a seat at the end quietly. So if your mat isn't laid out yet, go ahead and lay it out, since I know before I kind of had mine folded up for seated. And then join me seated when you're ready, either on your butt or on some form of a bolster, block, or prop that's best suited for you to sit quietly. We have 2 minutes. Take your time, take a deep breath in, relax the shoulders, and then please, when you're ready, close your eyes. As you close your eyes here, I invite you into this very quiet place together. I invite you to feel the sensation of being in this moment. I invite you to listen to the breath. So sync with me like you did yesterday. Inhale in. Exhale, please let it go out. And repeat, inhale in. Exhale out. And then let that be fluid. Continue that breath on your own. Halfway there. Being excited when it becomes comfortable. Maybe feeling the love kind of come over the body right here. The love of your own breath. Maybe you've started sitting before yoga quietly, or after Shavasana sitting quietly. Figuring out what's become available to you. It's just 2 minutes, guys, that's it. Finish your last exhale, blink your eyes open, bring your hands to your heart. Nice. From here, I want you to slowly take one hand out, so take a nice seated lateral stretch. And then exhale, side two. And then sit up nice and tall, reach both arms high. And then exhale, hands and knees, transition. Move your hips left and right, and then take your right arm way up from back. Circle it all the way forward, and then repeat that on side two. Behind, over, reach, forward. Good. One more time on the right. Again, maybe you're ending your day with this series. One more on the left. Maybe you're starting your day with this series. Maybe it's part of your lunch break to kind of regain control of your mind if it's gone a little messy with work. Hands grounded, inhale, reach up. Or maybe it's the only movement you have time for today, so you're just focusing on your breath and your body. One more time. Good. Slide your legs to plank. We're going to lower all the way down to our bellies, so take your time to get there. Tops of your feet down. Remember, you can do this wearing any clothes you wish. Cozy clothes, maybe a nice work top, whatever you have on. Child's pose. Come back to tabletop. Repeat, right arm rises. Exhale down. Left arm rises. How's your mind? Let it be calm. Right arm rises. Good. Left arm rises. Exhale, hands down. Inhale, cow. So let your butt rise, let your heart rise, let your belly fall. Exhale, chin tucks, we round. Repeat. And then we round. We find neutral, we slide the opposite leg to plank, and then the other. We lower down to our bellies. Tops of your feet down, inhale. Cobra up dog. And then child's pose. Tabletop, last round, okay? Right arm rises. Exhale. Left arm rises. How's your breath? Mine is so much more full. It's so much more controlled. It's so much more intuitive and linked with my movement, which is what yoga should be. One more. Good. Finding that nice neutral spine. Tops of your feet down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Plank. Belly. Back bend. Meet me in child's pose. Find a comfortable seat. Let's close with 2 minutes of meditation. Again, this series isn't about advancing your movement of yoga practice. It's not about getting your core stronger, glutes, arms. It's about gaining a better meditation practice that's best for you. So today, it's a quick 2 minutes seated. It's a quick 3 minutes of movement, and then a quick 2 minutes to close. So let's go ahead and find that seat. Close your eyes and get started. Spine is long. You're already under that 2 minute mark. Your heart is reaching forward. And then open up your mouth, move your tongue around in your teeth. And then relax your jaw. Maybe you let a smile come over your face and you're grateful for just this quick time together to breathe. Sometimes having someone cue you through this quiet time is better than you trying to create it. At least when you hit play, you know you're going to finish it. And then you can feel accomplished with the work that you put in to better yourself, your soul, your mind, and to open up your heart. This gives us more freedom. We're about halfway there. Keep breathing. And can you match my breath? Inhale. Exhale. I feel joyful when I'm breathing. Inhale. I feel relaxed. Inhale. I feel more open. Exhale. Inhale. I feel more giving, ready to serve, provide. Exhale. Good. Last few breaths. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Let that smile happen. Breathing out. Close your exhale here. Bring your hands to heart center. And then as we bow forward together, Namaste. Thank you so much for joining this short and sweet day 2 of our 7 days of heart-opening mindful movement and meditation. And again, if you ever have questions, feel free to ask below in the comments and share this series, especially if you feel like it's starting to slightly change and transform your ability to be quiet. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.